Welcome to the Myatt household, everybody. This is Hennessy's and Mr. Ethan Myatt. Thank you for inviting us into your lovely abode.
Of course. My beautiful fiance, Hennessy's Alexandria. Soon to be Hennessy's Myatt. You know what I'm saying? About to be part of the family. We just got a new apartment, and I decorated most of it, but they helped quite a bit. This is the living room. We got some paintings.
So we have the 60-inch flat screen.
All right, we got the couch. The thing actually pulls out into a bed. It's pretty cool. We got the dining room table, where the magic happens.
In the kitchen.
Sometimes in the kitchen.
I don't know, I had some pretty good magic that Hennessy's made. She made some beautiful magical fish.
Beautiful magical fish.
Ethan made some beautiful magical beef.
Yeah.
This is your mom's favorite seat right here. She'll sit here every morning while we make coffee and cook her breakfast.
Yep. So we got, this is where the magic happens.
Yes,
All
it
right.
does. I think it happened tonight, actually.
Yeah, it did happen tonight. We cooked it massive tomahawk steak.
Probably at least 2 inches thick.
We got more than that.
And Ethan pretty much nailed it. Perfectly medium rare, the way we like it.
Yeah, we got all of our wines and liquors right here, as it does. I got some flowers I need to, get some new ones. I got the shelves with the spices on it, the essential spices that you use all the time when you're cooking. The kettle, the room temperature butter, which is a must. The cayenne pepper, the oregano, the chili powder, the salt. All these cute little succulents. Got all the decorative pieces.
Coffee drinker.
Coffee drinker, the mortar and pestle for grounding up all of your spices.
Absolutely. Very key.
Marble, so it's beautiful, you know what I'm saying?
All right. Got a stainless steel refrigerator.
All brand new appliances. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
All the cabinets are full of stuff, but we don't want to dive too deep into all that. Cabinetry.
Lots of storage.
Master bedroom. This is where the magic happens.
Hold on, can I make a statement here? Does anybody else other than me feel like we're on an episode of MTV Cribs?
Yeah, this is MTV Cribs.
Kind of what it feels like.
This is where the magic happens.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
So serious. This is the master bedroom. This is where, the magic happens.
There's lots of magic in this house.
His and hers closet right here. We got the walk-in bathroom. Pretty nice. Sponsored by IKEA. Put together by moi. Pain in the ass. Put together.
We shipped him a mattress and we put it in the guest bedroom. We thought, and we were fine with, sleeping on the mattress, as long as we had a mattress to sleep on the floor. Well, because our son loves his folks so very much, we get here, and to our surprise, he's got us a bed frame, he's got us an end table, and he has us a lamp and a couple of fans he had put together, bought with his own money, took care of us. Pretty darn cool, if I say so myself.
We got the guest bathroom.
Straightforward bathroom,
for guests.
but very clean, very straightforward, and it's got a nice new bathtub that's very deep, by the way.
Very.
Yes.
This is the guest bedroom.
So this was Mom and Dad's wing this trip.
Yes.
You see, this door closes off to the rest of the house, so it gives them privacy. It gives us privacy. It's actually a very nice setup. Split floor plan.
Got the guest bedroom.
This is the guest bedroom. This is where me and Elisa slept, and of course where the magic also happens. And this is my my magical son, Cameron. Cameron, say hello to everybody.
Howdy.
Hello. And then he has a Hennessy's, and Ethan have a humongous walk-in closet. It's this kind of a romper room kind of closet where we put the air mattress for Colby, and they put all their gear. They have tons and tons of gear.
EECC Travel Cribs.
Yes. Welcome, EECC Travels. Ethan and Hennessy style, baby. All right, everybody say.
The EG Myatt household.
On to the patio.
Yeah, the patio, the best part. That's where the magic happens. You know what I'm saying?
The grilling magic, right?
The grilling magic, the vibing magic, all of it.
And look at these beautiful pictures. Notice the theme here. Elisa, can you please explain this?
Okay, so we went to IKEA the other day and found this picture.
Okay.
So it's a black and white, and the only thing that's in color is the red bicycle in the middle.
All right, let's go see the red bicycle. All right, here's the red bicycle. Can anybody tell me where this picture was taken? Leave a comment down below if you know where this picture was taken, because we have an idea, but we're not 100% sure.
I know where it's at.
Oh, see? But leave a comment down below and let us know where you think this picture was taken. Y'all all know that the back patio is my favorite spot. Look at this. I always say, happiness is not something you find, it's something that you create. And I think they've done a great job here on this patio. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? All right, guys, what do you think?
We love it. It's my
You
favorite
do?
part of the apartment.
Hey,
It's fantastic. We get the grill.
Oh yeah, show the grill.
It's electric, because that's all my complex will allow.
unveil it like they do it at Le Bistro.
It's dirty.
On
so I
three.
just cooked
1,
on it.
2, 3. Ta-da!
So we are outside Ethan's apartment, and Jason and the boys have gone on a bit of a hike.
Oceanside Beach. We're scoping out some places to take some pictures.
I love how the sign says do not gather, maintain social distancing, and this beach is packed.
There's Oceanside Beach, everybody. If you want to come to Oceanside Beach, it's not a real wide beach. It's very, very narrow, but you can drive right on it.
I have missed the ocean. I haven't seen the ocean since February.
Hey, honey, we should live here. Right there, right there.
We could totally do that, huh?
We could just live in one of these little houses.
Sounds like something we would do, doesn't it?
Well, you only live once. YOLO.
Yeah, so last time we were here in Oceanside, we parked right here in this little parking lot, and we walked all the way down to the pier. But it was April, and nobody was at the beach. It was
This is
completely
Wisconsin
empty. So now we're here in August, and it's peak summer season, and that beach is packed. But it's glorious outside.
Wisconsin and Pacific. Yeah, we stayed right here.
No, wasn't there?
Yeah, this
Is that it?
This is where we stayed, right here, because we went to the Wisconsin market.
Sure is. Yep, that's where we stayed last time. This is such a neat little community. So Oceanside's not as big and fancy as, you know, Santa Monica or San Diego or something like that.
It's really a cool surf town.
Really cool community here.
Yeah, a lot of beachside, you know, hangouts, shacks, surf shops, bars, cool places like that, you know. I love it. See, look, like this is a little cafe, you know, you got a lot of cool stuff like that. Really got that beach vibe going on here. I like it. I like Oceanside. It's really cool.
And then
Look here, we ate here at the
the Bagby Beer Company. Yes, we sure did. I remember that.
got a coaster.
Yep. Yep.
Also, the Juke joint is on this strip, which is, the owners are from New Orleans, and they do all Creole, Cajun food. It's a really great place, and you get humongous portions.
Oh, good food too. We ate there last time we were here.
Yeah, let's see, I want to say this is, it's on Coast Highway. So what we're gonna do tonight, Easton's got like some steaks. He's got the Tomahawk steaks. Okay, it's big old huge thick ribeyes. We got some Wagyu beef that I'm gonna try for the first time because he swears about it. So I'm like, okay, I know my son's got some good taste. I've got to try this. Yeah. All right, so they're watching a movie, and me and Ethan have laid the steaks out. Okay, and he has this beauty. This humongous Tomahawk ribeye steak, okay? This is ridiculous. I've actually never had one of these before, but tonight is the night. We got a couple of New York strips. We got ribeye steak, cut thick, and we got some Wagyu beef. He has been raving about Wagyu beef. The boy likes Wagyu beef, so we're going to try that. And of course, what goes better with steak than a longboard island lager? That is what goes good with the steak. Ethan is kind of burning the candle at both ends right now. He's trying to appease his dad, and he's trying to appease his mom. Bless his heart. We're splitting him in half right now. Ain't that right, Ethan? You didn't even hear me. Look. So here we go.
You know, people are coming out right now. It's not the armed robbers. These are young school children in uniforms with masks on. This is Jim Helen and Jeff.
Now that's a picture right there. What are we watching? This is the Umbrella Academy. It looks pretty interesting so far, actually. So what do you think? We gonna cook these up tonight or what, Ethan?
Yeah. We're gonna cook them.
Sick. All right, we're gonna cook them up on the George Foreman. Look at this, guys. Yeah.
I would much rather a charcoal, but it's all my apartment complex allows is electric.
Yeah, his apartment complex only allows electric, so this is the best that we can do. But we are gonna supplement with the seasoned cast iron pot.
Of course.
And I'm making my bread over here. So super, super simple.
Hey,
Take a loaf of French bread, slice
let's
it,
try that method out there.
melt a stick of butter, dip, shake off the excess, and you reassemble the loaf. How you like Ethan's kitchen?
I love it. I mean, he has a really nice functional kitchen. It's got plenty of room, plenty of beer. No, it's really good. His first apartment is very nice. I'm very impressed with it. Yeah, much better than mine. My first apartment, right?
Right. Ours was much, much smaller than
Smaller,
this.
yes.
So you started them inside and finishing them out here?
Yeah. And then this bad boy, we're gonna have to wait. It's not fully thawed out.
Oh, bummer. You want to save it for another day?
Yeah. Last day vibe.
All right.
Last day vibe.
I like your grill.
We're using the grill. We're gonna save the big Tomahawk later
Yeah.
because it just takes forever to thaw. It's basically the size of a roast. That's like half a cow right there, wrapped in cellophane.
It is.
This one here is definitely medium rare. Definitely medium rare. I'm
Possibly
liking
on the
this.
rare side.
This one here, I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay with these.
Cook one of them medium for me and Hennessy.
Hold on. These are pretty medium. Let them rest. Just sear them off again, real quick.
Save this one for me and Cameron.
We don't know how to cook medium. Now we have to learn how to cook medium.
Well, you've always cooked medium for me.
Not really.
I'm a toast.
That finished product of the steaks.
Oh.
And then I made my side dishes. Yum. To go with the steaks. Let's eat. How is it, guys? Huh? Good steak?
Colby's in the house talking to his beautiful, lovely girlfriend. Say hello to YouTube. You are on candid camera, darling.
I've got all three of my boys here. I'm
She's
so
very happy. We're all very happy.
That's awesome.
That was that was the end of the song.
It just said the same shit over and over again.
Yes,